YouTube, it's your boy HemiTwinz.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's the HemiTwinz back here with another video, and today, man, we got a special mod for y'all boys today. So yeah, man, y'all see the scat in the back, man. So what kind of mod do we got here? You feel me? This mod right here gonna make the back end look good, man. If y'all already can tell how big the box is, man. What kind of mod is? What do y'all think this is? But let me know in the comment section if y'all know what this is, man. Yes, sir, man. So we got the carbon diffuser, man, for my 2019 scat pack. You know, this mod right here gonna set it off. And the tools you'll be needing to do this mod right here is a 7mm socket or a 7mm wrench. And I think it's a flathead screwdriver that I got to take off that one, and it's like four little bolts like this, and that, and we got this little thing right there to take off the flathead screwdriver. We're gonna be installing this on the DODGECHARGER, and this how it looks, man. Look at that thing, man. That thing gloss carbon. What? That is crazy. But yeah, man, that's all you're gonna need. So boom, that's how that thing gonna look underneath there. Oh yeah, that's a big difference. Alright, man, so we're gonna be showing y'all us installing it, man. So yeah. Let's see. What's up on here? Alright, so it's that right there. We gotta get out. But that's the only way we got it to work. But it's gonna fight. We gotta bend it out. Fight it out. And come up, boom. So this how it look on the two sides. So one gonna be on this side. So one gonna be on this side, on the left, the right side of the car, and the other one gonna be on the left side of the car. Right side, left side. So once you got these out, so it's two of these. There's some screws. I don't know if these screws or not, but yeah, those will hold the diffuser underneath for the 7mm. And we use this and that to get the left side out and the right side out. And I guess all you gotta do is pull it out, man. So yeah, all you gotta do is pull this guy out. Pull that out. It all comes out. Get this up. But yeah, that's how it looks without the diffuser. So it's the old one. Big difference, big difference. Alright. We'll snap these in place onto the bumper, and then we'll show you how it looks after we get snapped on. Alright, man, so we got that thing on, man. Took a little minute to get it on. But yeah, man, that's how that thing looks, man. All we gotta do is put screws and that little thing on the corner of each exhaust thing, and it's, yeah. So we'll be right back.
Alright, y'all, so this how it look when y'all put these screws back in. The 7mm screw. That right there, the clamp. So you got 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other clamp on this end. Man, we got it back. We got it on, man. Now look at that, man. That carbon diffuser set it off, bro. Like, what? It's on there, man. But the only thing that's gonna take the longest to put back on is these little corners. These little corners that hold the corners for the diffuser, man. Yeah, those the 3 tools we use. Updated tools. But yeah, man, if y'all both like this mod, man, let me know in the comment section. Make sure y'all both like, comment, subscribe if y'all want more videos like this, man. It's the HemiTwinz, and we're out.